Alright, so let's look at the output that has been created from the yoga course selling sales page. And this was any website, okay, any website. So let's have a look at this. A life changing 8-week program. See, remember this. We have not given any details to AI. We just mentioned this. So we don't, the AI does not know whether it's a 8-week program or a 6-week program or maybe, a full lifetime program or whatever it is. So discover your inner balance. So the key to prompting over here is going to be how much specific your prompt is, right? So we will come to it in one of the next lessons. But yeah, the whole thing is being specific, right? So let's have a look at this. Begin your journey, 2500 per successful students, 4 days of lessons, exclusive lessons, 8 weeks, personalized progress, community support, mind body integration. See, the most important thing is if you will see, the design is kick ass, that is one thing, but the copy is even next level and it understands the the transformative principles, the copywriting principles, the conversion optimization principles, the buyer psychology. So it understands all of that. The thing is, if you will just look at this hero section, 95% success rate, this is a proof that my program works. 2500 plus successful students, this is a proof that trust factor right in the beginning of the page. Life changing, so this is something which is a huge benefit. 8-week program, right? So discover your inner balance. You can of course change anything that you want to change. Limited enrollment, again urgency. So just in the first section there are so many conversion optimization things which have been done with AI, FlexiFunnels AI, I would say specifically. Why this program is different. People want to know that, right? Community support, personalized progress, mind body integration, science backed results, expert guidance. So it has created everything for you beyond the surface struggles. Have a look at this. Disconnection from self, the integrated solution, holistic integration, personalized adaptation. Of course, you can change a few things or anything that you want to change over here, right? This is supposed to be a button. You can change that. Your complete journey to transformation. Let's say a photograph of yours, or maybe your group mentees or students, or something that will reflect your program. Comprehensive video curriculum, interactive live lessons, personalized progressive tracking, everything, right? So 48 lessons, 12 live sessions, real transformation from real people. So then we have the testimonials, right? A complete life transformation. Limited time enrollment closing soon. So if you will see, next cohort is beginning on this particular date, enrollment progress, and all the details. Choose your transformational path. So it has given the pricing as well, right? Again, we don't know what is going to be the pricing, so it has put the pricing by itself. Flexible payment option. Let's have a look at this. And then this is, by the way, I was referring to the accordion based Q&A section. Your transformation is guaranteed, our success stats, and then some of these stats are visible over here. Begin your transformation journey, and this is the full value stack of the page. And yeah, this is created, right? So this is any website. Let's look at the sales page website. So let me see. Transcend, not just yoga, transform a journey that realigns your mind, body, and spirit in perfect harmony. Discover your inner sanctuary in a world of constant noise and distraction, mental clarity, physical vitality, spiritual growth. Transcend method, foundness and awareness, 4 weeks. Strength and flow, 4 weeks. Flexibility and release, 4 weeks. Meditation and integration, 4 weeks. Transform lives, some testimonials over here, some credibility factors. Increase energy, stress resilience, improve sleep, deeper connection, emotional balance, physical vitality. Investment, it has given you two options, monthly and yearly. Um, Enrollment closes in, so some urgency factor right over here. Common questions, FAQ section, guarantee, right, risk free, and begin your journey today. Everything. So like I said, that you can see the pages, right, and you can see that both the pages are very very good. And like I said, in some page you might feel some section, so it's you can create a combination of both the pages. So currently in FlexiFunnels old editor, we had the feature of copying one section from one page to another. That is something that we'll be adding over here as well. So that is how you can combine the two sections. As of now, what you can do is, let's suppose you have one section, let's say this section that you really like, and you want it in second section also. So just type in the customize that, hey, can you create a section like this for me, and give it a few specific instructions, and share where exactly you want the positioning of the section to be. you know, maybe you want it after transform live section, so put this section over here. Like, be specific with your prompt, right? So this is going to create the whole page for you. And yeah.